안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today I want to share 치킨까스 recipe that can easily made at home. We'll be using chicken breast for the cutlet. Begin by butterflying the chicken breast. Aim to cut the middle of the chicken breast to achieve an even thickness. The chicken cutlets tend to curl up when cooked. To prevent this, make a shallow crosshatch with a knife. Then season with salt and pepper. We're going to put this aside for 20 minutes. I'm going to make a batter for the chicken. Combine all-purpose flour and egg in a bowl. This mixture serves as a glue, making it easier to the breadcrumbs to adhere to the chicken. Now, let's prepare breadcrumbs using leftover white bread. Cut the bread into small pieces and place them in a plastic bag. Here's a helpful tip that makes the breadcrumb process easier. Freeze the bag of bread pieces for an hour before blending. This makes the blending process in the blender smoother. I prefer to make the breadcrumbs slightly coarse as it contributes to a very crunchy texture. The chicken breasts have been marinated in salt. To remove excess liquid from the chicken, pat them dry using paper towel. Let's proceed with cooking the chicken. Dip the chicken breast into the egg and flour mixture, then place it on the bed of breadcrumbs. Dredge the chicken in the fresh panko, the breadcrumbs gently pressing it onto the chicken. Homemade breadcrumbs are moister than packaged ones, and it makes a delicious fry. Pour vegetable oil into a medium-sized pan and heat it over medium heat until it reaches 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's an easy way to check if the oil is at the right temperature for cooking the cutlet. Insert a wooden chopstick or utensil into the oil. If it forms tiny bubbles around the chopstick, that indicates that it's ready. Carefully add the chicken to the oil and fry until it achieves a golden color. Keep an eye on the oil temperature and make sure it doesn't go over 170 degrees, or else the breading will darken too quickly before the chicken is fully cooked. Scoop up and discard the fried crumbs in the oil with a fine mesh strainer. Then add the second cutlet to the oil. When it looks done, flip it and cook for additional 1 to 2 minutes. Chicken breast cooks relatively quickly compared to other meat. Place it on a wire rag or paper towel and let it rest for about 3 to 5 minutes. One of the best parts of this delicious chikinkasu recipe is its concise list of the ingredients that can be easily found in the pantry. This chikinkatsu is ultra crispy outside, yet so tender and juicy inside. Serve this chikinkatsu with a bed of white rice or multigrain rice with some salad. I will include the Tonkatsu sauce in my recipe, so please have a look at it. I'll meet you on my next video.